Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect FreshBooks with Stripe step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the settings option located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, find and click on integrations. Locate the Stripe integration option within the list and click on it. You will see an option to connect to Stripe. Click the connect button. This action will redirect you to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials to log in. After logging in, you may be prompted to authorize FreshBooks to access your Stripe account. Review the permissions requested and click Authorize Access to continue. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to FreshBooks. You should now see a confirmation that Stripe is successfully connected. To test the integration, create a new invoice in FreshBooks. Ensure that you select Stripe as the payment option for that invoice. Send the invoice to your email or a test recipient. Ask the recipient to make a payment through the invoice link. Monitor your Stripe account to confirm the payment is reflected there. Congratulations, you have successfully connected FreshBooks with Stripe. You are now ready to simplify your payment processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.